We'll guide you through how to fix your Joy-Cons not working when attached to a Nintendo Switch. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So first things first, let's just go and do a full system restart. So what you can do is just go and hold this top power button here like so, hold down on it until you go and see this power option screen here. Then you can actually go and use touchscreen. You can click on power options and then go and click on restart like so, and then the restart process will begin. And you should be greeted by this screen here, and then what you can do is go and see if the controllers are now working. If it's still not working, then continue to use the touchscreen just like so. And then what we want to try doing is a software update. So to do that, you'll need to navigate your system settings just here. And then on the left here, you'll need to go and scroll down like so until you go and see system, click on it there, and then go and click on system update at the top. It's then going to go and see if there's any available updates. If there are, go and do them. If there isn't in my case, then what we need to do is go back. And what you want to do is go and disconnect the Joy-Con or both of them if they both aren't working, just like so. And what you need to do is go and press the sync button just here like so, just once. And that is going to go and turn it off. And then what you can do is you can actually go and just press the button on the side of it to go and turn it back on. And what you can then do is go and reconnect it and go and see if that fixes your problem. And if you're having the same problem with the other Joy-Con, then you can go and do the same thing. And you can then go and see if that goes and fixes your problem. Now, if that still doesn't work, then what you can do is try holding that sync button like so, and it should then go and start flashing green like that. If nothing happens and it stays black, then this means the controller has got no charge, and that's probably why it's not working. And so if you didn't know, the Joy-Con should be charging when it's attached to the Switch. So if it isn't charging, this means there's a problem with the charging process. And so then what you need to do is go and get a cotton bud, a brush, a toothbrush, or something which you can go and use to clean out the connection, because there could be something blocking the connection, which is stopping the connection and the charging, and that is why it's not working. And so after you've gone and cleaned it out, then what you can do is go and reconnect it all, just like so, and hopefully that will go and fix your problem. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If it did, please consider subscribing and liking the video.